Experience ultra-purification with the newest addition to the puriFlash family, the puriFlash 5400 UV. Purify your rare and high-quality sample products thanks to 400 bar max pressure. The pump, which is the heart of the system, can reach 125 millilitres per minute at 400 bar without any compromise between flow rate and pressure. This makes it possible to work with preparative HPLC columns from 3 micron to 15 micron totally porous or 2.5 micron core shell. The specific 3-piston design of the pump ensures a high accuracy flow rate. The quaternary gradient valve offers the ability to work with up to 4 solvents at the same time. The system is equipped with 2 column holders. The side column holder can accept 7.8mm and 10mm ID columns, and on the front, from 20mm to 50mm ID columns. The column selection is managed by the 6-way repartition valve. The repartition valve is coupled to the 10-way injection valve, allowing the installation of 2 different injection volume loops according to the size of the column. The external UV cell connected to lamp with optic fibres allows the cell to be installed as close as possible to the outlet of the columns, thus avoiding the dispersion of the sample in the tubes. 3 racks can be used for collection, from the smallest capacity of 9 millilitres per tube to 250mm bottles, or funnels for the largest volumes. The large 15-inch screen and Intersoft X, our intuitive and robust software that controls the puriFlash 5400 UV system, provides you with great working comfort. This device will leave you nothing less than ultra satisfied.